If you'd like to know all the advantages of selling your car through consignment, the information is available on our website so you can chat with a professional who can answer all your questions. It's easy, safe, and convenient, plus we sell worldwide. We're always adding new vehicles to our inventory, so make sure you check our website early and often. Subscribe to us on YouTube and follow us on social media. The Classic Auto Mall is located in Morgantown, Pennsylvania, 1 hour west of Philadelphia, right off Turnpike exit 298.